Look at that. Oh, I know it's kind of burnt the garlic. I'm sorry. But we're gonna give this a taste anyways, guys. Look at that. We got some rice, you know, Filipinos eat rice on a daily basis. Hey guys, this is JdizzEats, and today we're gonna make some absolutely delicious Asian salt and pepper chicken wings. It's my favorite chicken wings. This is homemade, my style, and the ingredients to make this JdizzEats style Asian salt and pepper chicken wings are chicken wings right there, obviously, ground black pepper, salt, sesame oil, chopped garlic, and as an optional ingredient, spring onion. Guys, let's get into it on how to make this. Let's go! Just for the seasoning of our chicken wings, I already put 2 teaspoons of pepper. I'm gonna put 2 more, so it makes it 4. And 2 teaspoons of salt. And give her a mix. Chicken wings in the rack, in our baking sheet. Make sure it's dry. We're gonna season the chicken wings with salt and pepper mixed in here. Make sure you get everything out of there. Everything in here. Look at that. You can smell that pepper here. I bet this tastes amazing. Same thing the other side, just flip it and do the same, season it. Chicken wings done, seasoned, and now we're gonna let them sit for about 10 to 15 minutes before we put these bad boys up on the oven. So yeah, oven preheated at 400 Fahrenheit. 27 minutes. Flip the chicken wings after it's in the oven for 27 minutes. Oh yeah. Oh my god, the chicken broke. The skin took apart. Should use a parchment paper. Oh well. It's back in the oven for about 25 minutes. Bake them. While it's baking for the last 25 minutes, this is our optional. This is the spring onions. We're gonna put for later on. That's sexy. Look at that. Look. Crispy. Look at that. Ho 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 ho. We put the chicken wing on the side. We're now gonna put 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Spread it around and put it on medium heat. Now 1 tablespoon of garlic, chopped garlic. got burning pretty quickly, so I'm gonna put chicken now. And mix them around. Make sure you get that garlic and sesame flavor on this chicken. Alright, spring onions last here. Alright, chicken in there. Alright guys, now onto the taste test of this chicken wing. Already took a pre-tasting. Look at that chicken wing. Look that closely. You guys can see it from here? And we got rice, you know, Filipinos eat rice all the time. We can give this a taste. I know it kind of burnt the garlic and the scallions too. I mean spring onions too. Crispy, peppery, salty, crunchy. And look at the bone, the tip here. When you eat this, you can actually eat through the bone. You won't feel that bone because it's crispy enough. Look at that. Must be really good at making this. Oh yeah, good rice. Should recommend making this one at home. And a little bit dry now. So flavorful. Simple ingredients that can make it even tastier and flavorful. I could eat this any day, every day. But anyway guys, if you do enjoy the video, leave a like, hit that subscribe button, share, and comment for any suggestions. And guys, this is JdizzEats, and see you guys next video. Bye!